The Git Flow branching model is a popular workflow in Git, specifically designed for collaborative development. It provides a structured way to manage branches and maintain coordination and code stability in software projects. At the core of Git Flow are two main branches. The main branch. This is where the production ready code lives. It's always stable, fully tested, and ready for deployment. The develop branch. This is where active development happens. All new features are integrated into this branch. Once the code in develop is stable and ready for release, it's merged into main. Git Flow also introduces three key supported branches. Feature branches. Created from the develop branch, these are used for developing individual features or enhancements. Once a feature is complete, it is merged back into develop. Release branches. As the code base nears a release branch is created from develop. This allows final bug fixes, documentation updates, and optimizations. Once ready, it is merged into both develop and main, and a version tag is created. Hotfix branches. These are used for urgent bug fixes needed in production. A hotfix branch is created from main, and once the fix is applied, it is merged back into both main and develop, ensuring the fix is in production and future releases. Git Flow allows teams to separate concerns, maintain code stability, and improve collaboration. While it introduces some complexity with multiple branches, it's highly effective for managing larger projects and teams by enforcing a well-defined process for handling features, releases, and bug fixes.